The very first part of the eye is a very thin membrane on the human eye, which is called as the cornea. Light enters the eye through it, and maximum amount of light that enters the eye is refracted at the outer surface of the cornea itself. And after the cornea, there is a dark, fleshy screen behind the cornea. It is called as the iris. The color of the iris is very different from person to person. There is a small hole of changing diameter at the center of the iris. It is called as the pupil. The pupil controls the amount of the light that enters the eye. If the light falling on the eye is too bright, the pupil will contract, and if the light is very dim, then it will widen so that more light can enter into the eye. On the surface of the iris, there is a bulge of transparent layers. Double convex transparent and crystalline lens is just behind the pupil. The lens provides small adjustments of the focal length to focus the image on the eye. The lens creates real and inverted object on the screen inside the eye. The screen inside the eye is called as retina, which is made of very light sensitive cells. These cells get excited when the light falls on them and generates electric signals. These signals are conveyed to the brain through the optic nerve. Later, the analysis of the signal is done by the brain in such way that we can see the objects that are placed in front of the eye.